Hey guys, it's Cody and Clance here today on today's episode, and today Sunday afternoon. Went to church this morning, and it's I don't know, probably like 2 o'clock or something. So we're going to spend the next 3 or 4 hours today working on the old square body. So today's project is we're going to see about how much of the interior we can get put back in, and I think we're going to start. I think we're going to start at the top and work our way down. We're going to get the headliner put in, get the trim pieces that hold all that stuff put in, work our way down, see about getting the dash put on. We may not put the, I'm going to pull y'all off here, you're probably going to pop, there we go. But, sir, you say something?
Nope.
Oh. So we'll get the headliner up here put in, and we may not put the trim pieces that come down from right here on the old cab right here. These pieces that come down, we may hold off on putting them on until we get the dash put in, just to give us a little more room. And then we're going to clean the floor up real good, get it all wiped down, use some glass cleaner and stuff, get it all wiped down. And we may go ahead today and try to put in the that sound deadening material. I would probably use a shop vac, because we just blew the floor out real good, of the shop real good.
Oh, I figured I'd just blow it out and then blow it out the shop.
No, let's use a shop vac to get all that up. So that's kind of what's on the agenda for today, is to get all of this stuff here where we can get the interior put back in, start putting that in. And we're still waiting on door panels, so we're, huh? Yes, probably go get yours out of your knife shop, unless there's one in my leather shop, which I don't know. And so if we can get all this done today, I think we'll be stepping it up. So while Clance is getting this all vacuumed out and cleaned up and that kind of stuff, I'm going to work on seeing exactly what all parts we've got here in stock so that we can get started on putting it back in. I know one thing we're going to have to do is we've got this little drain hole deal right down here in the floor. I don't know if I'll flip y'all around so y'all can see that. That needs to be, we'll have to go out there and grab us one off the old truck, the donor truck, real quick, and then get that put in so we're not getting water and stuff up in here. So come along, let's have some fun. Well, we've kind of got a start there, so let's I guess let's get the headliner and see what it looks like. We might need to take that out, so because it'll have to go over.
Give me a screwdriver out of my toolbox right there.
We need to order a new dome light to put in there. So
I thought we were going to get an LED light to go up there or something like that. Is that what you said?
what all's holding that wire over to there? If you unplug it right there. Well, we might be able to stick this through the opening of the headliner. Does that make sense?
Right, you can
without taking it
go
loose.
sideways with it like that.
Yeah, so let's try that. Let's see. Are your hands somewhat clean?
Yes, sir.
There you go. How much extra are you going to have? 3 or 4 inches? Right here, it looks like, right in there. It's not pushed up good, you see? There you go. Make sure it's... There you go. That looks a lot better now. And up here, it doesn't... Right in here. Check right in there. See that? Is it... Like right here. There you go. You got it that time.
Well, your whole thing looks terrible too, Dad.
I didn't say it looks terrible. What I can see. I mean, you can
I'm
probably see
joking
stuff
with
from
you.
here that I can't see on my side,
I'm
but
joking with you.
I think from where I'm looking, it looks like right here on yours, there's like a gap right in there. So that lets me think that it's not pushed up good. And has it got any movement or no?
It's
Okay. Well, we're not. Okay, so I think now we're ready to put us a headliner in.
Are we gonna cut the 6 inches off we have left over?
Well, do you just have yours kind of laid up over the top right now?
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to cut anything off right now because once we cut it, it's done. But it's not going to be in the way of the door shutting right now. So we'll just leave it there until we're...
Whatever, bro.
All right, so let's get that out of here so we don't accidentally break it.
And then we'll carry the headliner in here.
Yeah, I'll bring it in on my side.
And then I can get in there and hold it up.
Yeah, I think let's use the 2 little pieces first that go in right here because we can each put one of those in. Okay. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. So this is the back, and this is the front. Can you work the light through there? Can you stick your hand around?
Third person.
That's good enough, I think, don't you? Perfect. That's good. All right. Now then, you want to hold it since you're right there and let me start this side?
Yeah, let me get a little further over.
Okay. Got it?
Is it good right there?
It looks pretty good to me. Maybe it needs to go. I don't know. Where's that hole at right there? You think that's the way that goes? That looks about right to me.
You could put that big bolt in.
It won't. I don't think it'll hold. I got that one started. Hang on.
Alright, hurry up.
I'm trying, Bob. I gotta get that one out first. I mean, we are sure that that's the right spot, right? I mean, because does that cover, that looks like that covers better.
It goes too far.
Well, it goes to this. Oh, you mean as far as the hole?
Yeah, the hole goes too far. You don't have the right line up.
Let's check it back there then. That line up right there?
Well, my holes are right there.
All right, so that's the right one. Let's put a couple in right there to hold that. We got the front where it's kind of holding, don't we?
I mean, yeah, I guess.
Well, we've got 3 in it, right?
Yeah. Well, back went on a lot easier than the front.
Yeah.
Do you believe that that's back in front now?
I believe you got it on right. Yep. So, looking pretty good so far, guys and girls. Now we're going to put these. There's some pieces that go from here to here. We're going to put those on real quick, and then we'll have this headliner about licked. I think. We'll see, huh?
I know what I'm doing, Dad.
I know you do. You don't need no instruction for nothing. I know. Magnetic tip.
I can't get mine up to my hole.
Try the back side first. Put your back one on first. And then yeah, like, is it too long or too short?
What?
One side or the other, is it not? What's
I
it?
can't go up high enough with this to get to it.
You don't have it on upside down, right?
No?
Like mine, I can't get it up to the... It's not lining up. Come over here and let me see if I push up on all this. See if you can get a screw started, and then I'll come over and do yours. I'll come over and push up on yours. All right. Say when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Did that even open the holes up to where they're...
No, you're not even lined up on your thingamabobbers.
Golly, that thing's a foot away.
Come try mine, because mine are lined up. I just need all the wood.
What is it? I'm gonna check. Oh my gosh! Seriously! Hi! Your dad is gonna kill us. Your dad's gonna kill us. Is the impact in here?